Hi, welcome to Barney Tech channel. Here we are going to see about directional earth fault. When you see directional earth fault, for most of the mind, the question will rise why we have to use and what is the necessity. First, we are going to see why we are going to use directional earth fault. For simple example, we consider for the transmission line. In transmission line itself has a capacitance effect. Due to this, the system will have some leakage current. We see little briefly when this transmission line has many feeder. Due to this, all feeder will have leakage current due to this capacitance effect. This all leakage current will be present in the system, but it not actual fault only due to the leakage current. This will get mal-operate the earth fault production. Due to this, we need a directional earth fault to operate for actual fault. This capacitance effect also come to picture in different way. The system which have neutral path always have leakage throughout the transmission line. So this all leakage current totally get on the neutral path. Suppose if we have not having a directional earth fault, then this current will be lead to trip the feeder. But this leakage is not able to negligible. So to avoid this, we use directional element. You all may have a doubt the power system which doesn't have the neutral path, how this earth fault is occurring and why we need the directional earth fault over the this system also. In that case, normally we will not have a leakage current due to this capacitance, but if we have any fault on any one of the feeder, then the leakage current will come into the picture. During this condition, this fault current will get added with this leakage current. During this case, other feeder also will get the leakage current will be detected on the earth fault. But the magnitude will be different and also lesser from the actual fault area. To isolate this earth fault without mal operation and also to isolate the fault correctly, we need directional earth fault. For this directional earth fault detection is used by two methods. First one is current polarization, second one is voltage polarization. First one we will see how the current polarization will be in the system and what are this connection. For this current polarization, the relay need the two set of CT connection. One should be on the phasor side CT and another should be on the neutral side CT. Now we can see the CT connection. On the phasor side CT, all phase has to be shorted and the neutral path has to be given to the relay. This type of connection is used because when there is an unbalanced current, then the unbalanced current will be flow into the relay. In normal condition, in the healthy condition or in balanced condition, there will not be any current flow to the relay. And another set of CT, it has to taken from the neutral path. In this, any CT can be taken as a reference and fault detection also we can choose according to our willingness. Now we can see the voltage polarization. For this we have two type of voltage polarization. This type is purely depend on the connection of CTs. In the first type we can take the CT connection from the phasor side and the voltage from the bus voltage or line voltage. If you see this connection, the phasor side we have to short all and we have to make a neutral path to the relay. And for voltage we have to take a open delta voltage. The open delta voltage will be detected when we have a unbalanced voltage in the line or bus. If we have a balanced voltage, then the open delta voltage will be 0. This voltage will be a reference for this fault current. The fault current will be detected on the phasor side. Now we can see the second type. On second type, the CT connection will be taken from the neutral path and the voltage will be as usual as a open delta voltage, and the voltage will be as a reference, and this fault current can be detected from the neutral path. By this we came to the end of the section. On next video I am planning to make operation of directional earth fault. I think this video will be useful to you all. Take care and see you on next video, and thank you for watching this video.